Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras with a comparison between the Canon EOS R5 and the Canon EOS R100. If you're looking to elevate your photography game, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, stay tuned as we break down these two remarkable options. First up, let's talk about price. The Canon EOS R5 is priced at a whopping $3,899, which many reviewers note is a hefty investment, but they argue it's worth it for the exceptional image quality and advanced features. In contrast, the EOS R100 comes in at a much more budget-friendly price of $599. Reviewers appreciate this affordability, especially for those new to photography who want a solid starting point without breaking the bank. Next, let's discuss image quality. The R5 features a stunning 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, which reviewers rave about for its incredible detail and low-light performance. Many have highlighted its ability to capture fast-moving subjects with remarkable clarity. On the other hand, the R100 offers a 24.1-megapixel APS-C sensor. While it may not match the R5 in terms of sheer resolution, reviewers still commend its excellent picture quality, especially for family photos and casual use. Now let's dive into the processors. The R5 is equipped with a DIGIC-X processor and an ISO range of 105.1200, expandable to 102,400. Reviewers have praised its powerful processing capabilities, especially in low-light conditions. Meanwhile, the R100 runs on a DIGIC-8 processor. It's sufficient for most users, but some reviewers have noted it can struggle in low light, making it less ideal for professional settings. When it comes to autofocus, the R5 has dual-pixel AF, covering about 100% of the frame with 1053 mAf areas. Reviewers are particularly impressed by its eye detection and ability to track fast-moving subjects. In contrast, the R100 has dual-pixel AF, covering up to 143 zones. It's adequate for general photography, but some users have experienced issues with autofocus consistency, which has led to mixed reviews. For those who love action shots, the R5 can shoot up to 20 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing fast movements. Reviewers have noted this feature as a major advantage for sports and wildlife photography. On the flip side, the R100 can shoot up to 6.5 frames per second. While it's decent for casual photography, some reviewers feel it might miss the fast-paced moments, especially if you're trying to catch your pet in action. Overall, reviewers have a lot to say about these two cameras. The Canon EOS R5 is often described as a powerhouse, ideal for professionals looking for top-notch performance and image quality. Conversely, the EOS R100 is highly regarded as a fantastic entry-level camera that delivers great value for beginners and casual photographers, making it a popular choice among families and hobbyists. So there you have it. The Canon EOS R5 is like the luxury sports car of cameras, powerful and feature-rich, while the EOS R100 is a fantastic, budget-friendly option for beginners or casual photographers. Which one would you choose, the high-end R5 or the budget-friendly R100? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more comparisons. Remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, buy smart.